Hello, I'm Willie Dale, the Fix-It Gal. I happen to be visiting some relatives and look at the door. There's no doorknob. The doorknob fell off. What can we do? Can we close the door? Yes, we can close the door. How can we open the door? How are we gonna get out? Can you see this? You can just take a regular butter knife, stick it in the hole like it is a doorknob, and you turn it, wiggle, and open. The door is now ajar. The door is now ajar. I'm not saying that I was a burglar or anything. I'm just saying that I learned some skills, yo. Bye. So close. Jiggle a little bit with a butter knife. Open. It's Willie Dale. The Fix-It Gal. I know you see me fix things, but I think that I can be a really good stand-up comic, so I thought I would incorporate some of my jokes in my Fix-It videos. Okay, so I was gonna tell you a joke about a pizza, but I said nah because it's a little cheesy. Yeah.